If Opera is showing a 404 error, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to fix it step by step. We'll start by checking whether the problem is actually on the website's side, and then I'll show you the best browser fixes to clear out bad data and force Opera to load the page fresh again. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick and easy tech fixes. Let's jump right in. First, open the website that is giving you the 404 error and make sure the page is actually broken. Before changing anything in Opera, it's a good idea to check if the issue is happening for everyone or just on your device. Open a new tab and visit DownDetector. Search for the website you're trying to access and look for a spike in reports. If lots of other users are reporting the same issue at the same time, then the problem may not be your browser at all. In that case, the site could be down globally and the administrators will need to deploy a fix before the URL becomes accessible again. So if DownDetector shows a widespread outage, the best thing to do is wait and try again later. But if the site looks fine for everyone else, then the issue is more likely caused by stored site data inside Opera. Now go back to the broken page in Opera and look at the far left side of the address bar. You'll see a padlock icon. Click that padlock icon to open the site information menu. From there, choose site settings, or in some versions, you may see cookies and site data. This section controls the permissions and saved data Opera stores for that website. Once you're in the site settings, look for the option to clear data. Click Clear Data to remove the saved cookies, cached permissions, and any broken site information that may be causing the 404 error. This is one of the most effective fixes when a page won't load correctly because Opera may be trying to use outdated or corrupted website data instead of pulling a fresh version from the server. After clearing the data, don't stop there. You also want to force Opera to reload the page completely. To do that, perform a hard refresh by holding Ctrl and F5 on your keyboard. This tells Opera to ignore the existing cached copy and request a completely fresh version of the page from the server. In many cases, this is the final step that clears up the error and gets the website loading properly again. If the page opens after the hard refresh, then the problem was probably caused by bad cached data or a temporary browser issue. If it still shows 404, go back and double check whether the site is down globally because the issue may be outside your control. So to recap, the fix for Opera error 44 is to first check DownDetector for a site-wide outage, then clear the site data from the padlock menu in Opera, and finally do a hard refresh with Ctrl plus F5. These steps are quick, safe, and often enough to get the page working again. If this video helped, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss more simple browser and tech troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.